Okay, we will click on New Part, name it Part number 3. And we will be setting up an extrude. Go to the top view and click on Sketch View. And then we're going to go to the rectangle drop down menu and choose the center to corner. Expand that from the center. Okay. And here you can either press Escape or click the scroll wheel to exit out of that. And now we can add our dimensions of 100 units. Click OK, and we will add 100 units for depth as well. Click OK. And now we'll go back to standard orientation. From here, we're going to go to our cosmetic sketch, which is under the engineering tab. Click on cosmetic sketch. And this is going to allow us to add text as an overlay. Okay, now we will click on the top surface and press sketch. Okay, now we'll click on sketch view. Now we're going to need to click on text and create a starting point for the text. You'll notice if you drag down and begin typing in the text box, it's going to write your text upside down. So we can click on cancel, click on text, and drag up. And that will make your text right side up. In the text box, we're going to enter in engineering, and we will align the position horizontal and center, and vertical will be middle. And click OK. Okay, and we got out of that by hitting escape. Now we can change the dimensions on our text, and we will put the dimensions at 10 and spacing from the center at 0. We'll click OK and go back to standard orientation. Now we're going to change the units. We'll go to the File tab, click on Prepare, and Model Properties. Here you'll notice units are given in distance in inches, mass in pounds, and time in seconds. We want to change that to MKS, which is a distance in meters, mass in kilograms, and time in seconds. Click on that and press Set. And then it's going to ask you if you want to convert the dimensions or interpret the dimensions. We want to interpret, where 1 inch becomes 1 millimeter. Click OK. Click Close. From the same Model Properties tab, we can also change our material. So we would click on Change. And from this menu, we can change our material to steel. So we click on Steel and press OK. We can close that out. Okay, from here, we're going to go to the Analysis tab and the Mass Property. Okay, we'll click Preview. Expand that. Okay, and under the mass properties, it's going to give you a lot of information pertaining to the object that you made, such as volume, surface area, density, and mass, which are important things you may need to know as an engineer. So we can click OK. Now also, you can click on the Measure tool and find the length of something, say, that you imported from another file or from somebody else, and you could gather information from that object under the Measure tool. Okay, from here we're going to change color, so we will go to the View tab and Appearance Gallery. This will give us different options to change surface color. Let's click on green. Click on the surface you want to turn green. And click OK. Now you can click on Appearance Gallery again and more appearances. Click on the gray color box. Now you can bring up your color wheel and create your own custom color. Click OK. Click OK again and paint another surface. Click OK. Okay, now we can hide our axes. And we're done with this part. You can press Save and OK.